Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Thank you guys. Camera ain't never going. Patrick always get on me about that. He ran it down. Wrong species. Now if that was a bass, that would have been real nice. Huh?
Yeah, wait on.
Yes, sir. That would have been. Huh?
Wait on.
Yes, sir. That would have. Ain't no crappie, man. It's a bass. It's a bass, Patrick. Stumps over there too, ain't it? He hit it. I missed him. He missed it. Yep. I don't know how he got off these big. Oh, I don't know how he got off these big red hooks. He got right off of them. He got off again. What the heck? Oh my goodness, nice, Patrick. Nice one, brother. Man, he got off again. He hit it again and got off of it again. He hit it twice and got off of it both times. And that something felt pretty decent too. Shot, Patrick. Awesome, brother. Oh, nice. Catfish. No? That's a bass. Oh my goodness. You over there with a bass at. Awesome. Let me get right on out the way. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's what we need right there. Did y'all see that? That joker done got 3-1, man. I ain't got nail bass yet. Let me go over here and throw where he throwing at. Good gracious. Hallelujah. That what we need? Oh, man, don't let that thing get back. Well, look at there, y'all. Good gracious sakes.
Ooh, come on.
Ugh. Now that right there was definitely a high five, man. But you catching all the fish, Patrick. I ain't catching nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, what the no? Man, get out of here. Awesome catch, Patrick. Awesome catch. Awesome catch, brother.
A couple days ago, could have turned this one in, bro.
I know, right? I just hooked into something, Patrick. He grabbed it on the way down. Ain't no bass, man. I don't know what this is, Patrick.
Come on, man. That's a big bass. You gonna claim it? Yeah, he coming up. Put it down. Put it down. Put it down. Woo! That's a straight bass.
Come on, man.
Yeah, that's a straight bass. Oh, what was that?
I don't know, Patrick.
The beaver.
Ain't no beaver, man.
That's another catfish, Clyde.
Come on, man. What the heck I keep catching catfish for, man? Oh man. I'm trying, Patrick.
Man, I'm running through the grass, climbing
Man.
my pants, soaking wet.
Man, I didn't know what it was, man. He grabbed it on the way down and just took off with it.
It's a 65-pound braid, ain't it?
Yeah, no. 40?
40?
Yeah, you can pull it on up. It ain't gonna
I
break.
ain't about to cut my hand.
Be careful, man. Gracious sakes. So with me and catching cats, man. Take them on up there, cause I gotta get that hook out, cause it ain't coming out easy. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Man, you got wet and everything.
I'm running through the grass. Ooh.
Boy, that ain't good.
Ant pile right there. Look at that, y'all. That's a beautiful cat. Come on, Clyde. Let's get that on. Oh, that's the one you made, man.
Huh? Yeah.
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 Hey, Clyde.
Set that sucker on the ground, man. I'll get him out. I don't know what's up with me catching cats, man. I don't know what's up with this today.
Hey, look.
I recorded that, man. You patch your things, man.
No problem, Clyde.
Man, what's up with me catching cats, man?
Hey. Dang.
That's not what I want. What?
We could have waited. River Park North got a catfish tournament.
He ain't big enough. They catch a 9 and 10 pounders.
Oh no, that's a start.
Yeah, that's a pretty big one. Yeah, you're right. They catch a 9 and 10 pounders, man. He was.
We would have to take him. We would have to take him.
Oh, yep. And that's too much out of our jurisdiction. There you go. Let's see if it's twin out there. Oh, still, let me get a cast out there. Nice one, though. Awesome. Awesome, brother. Awesome. Yes, sir. Well, man, I ain't catching nothing today. Not what I want. Gee. Okay. Nice. Very nice, though. Very nice. Yes, sir. Oh, nice. Real nice. Nice. Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah. Oh, nice one. Show them around. Yes, sir. Nice one. Nice little chunky little rascal. Yeah, there's something up there. See?
Way to go, bud, Clyde. Way to go. Well, there.
Awesome, Patrick. Man, this man, look at that.
Too, man.
Yeah, he did.
Way down there.
Yep.
He's way down there, bleeding real bad on this side.
Okay, he's standing up. Standing up on his own.